Since na machine ang gumagawa ng firearms, diyan papasok ang concept na beyond the control of human. Okay? Kahit naman na isip ng tao na maging perfect ang paggawa ng firearms, hindi po pwede. Bakit? Because the concept of beyond the control of human. Dahil ang gumagawa is machine, hindi na kontrolado ng tao. At papasok dyan yung tinatawag na imperfection, roughness, scratches. At yung tatlong bagay na yan, yun yung nagbigay ng individual characteristics ng firearms. Okay? Uulitin ko ha. Sa ginawa natin yung example ko kanina, 100 caliber 45. Okay? Parehas lang sila ng general characteristics. Pero, yung isang daan na yan, meron at meron silang individual characteristics. Kailan mangyayari yan? After the manufacture of firearms. Bakit magkaroon ng individual characteristics? Because ang machine, merong imperfection, merong roughness, merong scratches nung kanyang ginawa ang firearms. Pagdating sa bore, barrel, and even breech face of firearms, magkaroon ng imperfection, roughness, and scratches. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng individual characteristics ang isang firearms. Okay, so I hope naging mali